Friends, Namaste. Welcome to our channel Tejas Classes. Today we are going to see the questions asked in second shift of RRB NTPC examination 2021. Before that, I want to tell you that friends, most of the questions are repeating. So, I request you to watch the full video so that you don't miss any questions for your future shifts. Okay? According to the feedback from many students, today's shift paper was a more easy to moderate level, and mostly are questions from static GK and the less number of questions from current affairs. Okay, so let's see the questions that are asked in today's shifts. Before that, please subscribe to our channel for more information regarding the RRB NTPC exam and related materials of it. Okay, friends, as per students review, the cutoff will be for this shift may go around 60 to 65. Okay, so it will be the general cutoff based on student feedback and the exam level was, as already said, it was easy to moderate. Okay, exam was easy to moderate, and 60 to 65, if you attempted this will be a good attempt of yours. So let's see the questions which are asked in today's examination. Okay, so the first question is, yeah, Halmati Dam is located on which river? So guys, this is, I have shown you a picture. It, can you guess it? The Halmati Dam, it is located on Krishna River in North Karnataka. Okay, Almaty Dam is located on Krishna River in North Karnataka. Almaty Dam is also known as Lal Bahadur Shastri Dam. Okay, what it is? Almaty Dam, it is a hydroelectric project, and it is also known as Lal Bahadur Shastri Dam. Okay, and the second question is, Great Ashoka belongs to which dynasty? The King Ashoka, he belongs to which dynasty? So Ashoka belongs to Maurya dynasty. And who is the founder of Mauryan dynasty? Can you tell me? Who is the father of? Who is the founder of Mauryan dynasty? Chandragupta Maurya. Okay, Chandragupta Maurya is the founder of Mauryan dynasty, and Ashoka belongs to Mauryan dynasty. Okay. The third question, in 1739, Karnal War happened between whom? So 1739 Karnal War is happened between Hadar Shah. Who is Hadar Shah? He is the founder of Afshadi dynasty of Persia, and the war happened between Adil Shah and Muhammad Shah. Okay, Adil Shah and Muhammad Shah, 1739 Karnal War. Please, a very important question. Please make a note of it. Okay, see, the fourth question is very important question. What is the image present on back of the 2000 rupee note? 200 rupee note, sorry. So here you can see the 200 rupee. I have given a picture for your reference. Can you tell me guys what is it? See this one. Can you tell me please what it is? Yeah, it is Sanchi Stupa. Where is Sanchi Stupa located guys? You please mention in the description. Okay. So Sanchi Stupa is image present on a 200 rupee note. So fifth question, which of the following is a radioactive gas? So we have been given four options. Among that, one of the option is radon. So radon is a radioactive gas. Okay. See, the sixth question is, who was awarded with a Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1902? See, Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1902 was given to Mr. Ronald Rose. Why he was given? Ronald Rose was given a Nobel Prize in Medicine for his work and research, and that is discovery for a medicine on for malaria. Okay, Ronald Rose for his work on malaria. He was awarded with Nobel Prize in 1902. Okay. Next question. Yeah. Article 101 and Article 102 relate to what? What it is mean by Article 102? Article 101. Okay. So Article 101 is regarding the vacation of seats. Okay. See, vacation of seat. One second. Vacation of seats. It is for Article 101 and 102 disqualification of membership. Okay. Yes, can you tell me friends what is mean by vacation of seats? Vacation of seats is nothing but when a person is both a member of both the houses, so he should vacate one seat, or he should vacate, I mean he should vacate the one member, one house, and continue in the other. And what is meant by disqualification? If he continues, so he will be disqualified in that seat, from that seats. Okay, yeah. See, eighth one, another question from a full forms. What is the full form of BIOS? Very important question. Many times it has been repeated. So full form of BIOS is basic input output system. Okay. Okay. Another question from a computers. Control plus A is used for what? Control plus A is used for selecting all text files, pictures, or other objects. Okay, it is used for simply for selection of all the content. Okay. And next thing, where is Central Potato Research Institute located? Guys, important question. Where is Central Potato Research Institute located? It is in Shimla. Okay, Potato Research Institute is located in Shimla. So 12th one, what is the diet of panda? Interesting question, right? See, I have given a cute panda over here. What it is eating? It is a bamboo. Okay, so 90%, nearly 90 to 95% of diet of panda is bamboo. Okay, it eats only bamboo. Another, it is a carnivore, so it will eat other leaves also, but major diet is bamboo. Okay, important one. Yeah, next one. Yeah, who is the writer of Thomas? Who is the writer of Thomas? Thomas writer is Mr. Govind Nihalani. What it is? What Thomas related to? It Thomas is a 1988 period television film. Okay, it was a television film written in 1988. So it was written by Govind Nihalani. Okay, yeah. And next question: how many bytes are there in one nibble? Okay, guys, be sure and be cautious while attempting this type of questions, because concentrate on this term bytes. You'll be confusing between bytes and bits. Okay, so be cautious. How many bytes are there in one nibble? So in one nibble, how many bytes? See, half a byte, that is 0.5. Okay, so one nibble is equal to 0.5 byte, and it is equal to 4 bits. Okay, remember it, important one. And where was Gautam Buddha born? Where was Gautam Buddha born? Lumbini, not Lumbini Gardens, my friend. Yeah, obviously it is Lumbini Gardens, but not in Hyderabad. Okay, it is a gardens of Lumbini. In present day, it is in Nepal. Okay, he was born in Lumbini Gardens in Nepal. Okay, yeah. And the next question is, which satellite is operated by IIT Kanpur? Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur is operating one Indian satellite. So its name is Jungu. What? Jungu is a satellite operated by IIT Kanpur. It is a CubeSat satellite. Okay, CubeSat satellite. What it is? It is a remote sensing satellite. Okay, I have given a picture for your reference. You can see here the Jugunu satellite and the IIT Kanpur symbol. Okay. Okay. In 17th question, in which state Narora atomic power station located? Questions from atomic power stations and thermal power stations. So concentrate on this topic, guys. So answer is UP, Uttar Pradesh. So Narora atomic power plant is located in Uttar Pradesh. Yeah. Who is the father of nuclear physics? Question from fathers and invention discoveries. Who is the father of nuclear physics? He is Mr. Ernest Rutherford. Okay. Father of nuclear physics is Ernest Rutherford. Okay. Yeah. Next question. Through which Constitutional Amendment Act 10% reservation for economically weaker sections came into effect? Okay, it is C. So 10% reservation for economically weaker sections. Through which act? That is which amendment act? 103 Constitutional Amendment Act. Okay, important one. Do remember. Next question is, which scientist got the Nobel Prize for his discovery about malaria? Okay, I, I guess you have heard this name somewhere in the previous questions, right? Nobel Prize. When did he got a Nobel Prize? 1902. Who got the Nobel Prize? Mr. Ronald Ross for his work in malaria in the field of medicine. Sorry, in the field of medicine in 1902, Mr. Ronald Ross got the Nobel Prize. Okay, yeah. Next question, where is the rail coach factory headquarters located? Rail coach factory headquarters located. What is rail coach factory? See, I have given a picture here. You can see the coaches here, right? So these coaches are manufactured in this factory. There are many branches of it, but the head office is located in Kapurthala. Okay, it's a coach manufacturing unit of Indian Railways, where it is located in the state of Punjab. Kapurthala, Punjab, rail coach factory. Important one. See, again you got a question from the fathers. In previous question you got father of nuclear physics. Okay, who is now father of nuclear physics? Tell me. N.S. Rutherford. Okay. See, now he is asking who is the father of physics. Just be careful, guys. Carefully read the question. If it is written only physics, father of physics, then it is Galileo Galileo. Okay, and if it is mentioned modern physics, then it is Mr. Albert Einstein. Okay, father of physics is Galileo Galileo, father of modern physics is Albert Einstein. Okay, next question. Yeah, that's it guys for today's session. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe our channel for more videos on RRB NTPC and various competitive examinations. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.